Hello everyone and welcome to Igbo Academy. Afam bụ Nwada Chioma. Chioma. Today, I'm going to talk about sexual organs in Igbo language. Sexual organs in Igbo language. We've learned part of the body, but there are some parts that we don't say every time, that the Igbos consider a subject that is very sensitive and a subject that is to be respected and a subject that is delicate. They consider this subject as being delicate, so they don't. In the Igbo culture, we don't just say it anyhow. We don't just say it anywhere. We believe that you have to get to a particular age to know it, but these are the names. Let's start with the sexual organs of the female gender. We have the breast, and the breast is called ara. The breast is called ara. Then we have the vagina. The vagina is called otu or ikpu. Otu or ikpu. Otu or ikpu. Then we have the pubic hair. We all know that hair is aji, so we call it adiotu or ajipu. That's the pubic hair. And we have the buttocks, which we call ike. So the breast, ara, the vagina, otu or ipu, the pubic hair, adiotu or ajipu, and the buttocks, which is called ike. Now we'll move over to that of the male. The penis is called amo. The penis is called amo. Then the scrotum is called akpamo. And the pubic hair is called adiamo. Then the buttocks is called ike. So that is it for the names, the actual names. But because we have respect, Igbo people consider sex as a sensitive and delicate subject. Instead of calling them their real names, look at what you might hear things like this. Like instead of someone to call breast, the person might say nkihu or nkiru. Nkiru nwaanyị a bụkwara ibu. Nkiru ga bụkwara ibu. Nkiru means the breast. That's the front one. Nkiru. Or for the vagina, they might call it nkembada. Which means the one that is down there. The one that is down there. And the penis is always associated with strength. In Igbo tradition, they believe that the man is supposed to be dominant and take action, and the male part is supposed to be a very dominant part, the part that takes the action. So the penis, instead of calling it the penis, you might hear people say nkojiri buru nwoke. Sorry, I forgot about the vagina. Instead of calling the vagina again, people might say, instead of nkembada, they might say ihe o jiri buru nwanyị or nke o jiri buru nwanyị. The thing that makes him a woman. For the penis, you have ihe o jiri buru nwoke, the thing that makes him ihe o jiri buru nwoke ya, the thing that makes him a man. Just know that the person is talking about the penis. The person might talk of ikenga. The person might say amum or ikengam. When ikenga is a powerful Igbo totem, so it shows strength, power. Then mbadike, the person might say mbadike m na fumofu, my penis is paining me. Mbadike means a very stubborn masquerade. A stubborn masquerade. So people might use this to refer to the penis, which is amo, because of the Igbo language considers sex as a very delicate and sensitive subject. Then the vagina, ihe o jiri bụrụ nwanyị, yes, ihe o jiri bụrụ nwanyị. So these are the things that you might hear because of the respect for sex, the sensitivity, and the delicate subject it is. So the vagina is otu or ikpu or ihe o jiri bụrụ nwanyị or nke mgbada. The breast is ara or nke iru. The pubic hair is aji otu or aji ikpu. The buttocks is ike. Then for the male, the penis is amu or ihe o jiri bụrụ nwoke or ikenga or mgbadike. Depends on anyone you hear, but the real name is amu. Then every other one you hear is just a way of making it sound so pleasant to the ear, so that not everybody will understand what you're talking about. So that is it for the sexual organs in Igbo language. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ka emesịa, ka ọ dịbazie.